Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon. Dear audience, I'm very glad to be here. Actually, it's a great pleasure for me to say something for you. I'll try my best level to deliver short speech on today's topic, and the topic is about happiness. Before I begin, I want to ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly happy? Not pretending, not smiling for others, but genuinely happy. Most of us believe happiness comes from things, good results, a good job, money, success. We say, I will be happy when I achieve that. Am I right? But today, I'm here to tell you something surprising. Happiness is not destination. Happiness is a skill, and science proves it. Today, I'll talk about the science of happiness and how a small habit can completely transform our lives. Many people think happiness is optional, but science says it is essential. Happy people have better mental health, are focused, productive, build a stronger relationship, and live longer. On the other hand, long-term stress and unhappiness lead to anxiety, depression, poor performance, and poor physical health. So, happiness is not luxury. Happiness is a survival. Now, let's talk about the science. Our brain controls happiness using chemical dopamine, motivation and pleasure, serotonin, calmness and confidence, oxytocin, connection and trust, endorphins, stress relief. Here is the most powerful truth. You don't need money, success and fame to activate them. You can activate them through small habits, and that's here where real power lies. 5 small habits that change everything. Number 1, gratitude. Gratitude increases serotonin. Just take 2 minutes a day and ask, what is one good thing in my life right now? Not perfect, just good. This simple habit requires your brain from negatively to positively. Number 2, physical movement. Exercise releases endorphins. You don't need a gym, walking, stretching, or light exercise is enough. Just 20 minutes a day can change your mood for the whole day. Number 3, mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness means being present, not stuck in the past, not anxious about the future. Just 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing and meditation can reduce stress and calamity. Truly speaking, happiness is not permanent. Happiness is a daily practice. Let me, and with this, you don't need a perfect life to be happy. You don't need to wait for success. Start small, start today. Choose on good habit, gratitude, physical movement, mindfulness and meditation, human connection, kindness. Because remember, a small habit don't change one day. They change in your entire life. Thank you. Thank you for my listening presentation. That's all about it. Truly speaking, this was a very nice moment with you. Thank you. Thank you all.